In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Excel. Whether you're sending a quick handout or a polished report, you'll learn the two simplest ways to get a clean printout without surprises. First, here's the classic route from the ribbon. With your workbook open, go to the top left and click File. This opens the Backstage view. From the menu on the left, choose Print. That brings up the print screen, where the live preview appears on the right and your settings are on the left. Take a second to confirm the correct printer is selected and set the number of copies. Look at the preview. If a column is getting cut off, use the scaling menu to choose options like Fit Sheet on one page or Fit All Columns on one page. You can also switch between portrait and landscape orientation depending on the shape of your data. If your sheet is wide, landscape usually saves paper and keeps columns together. Margins can be set to normal or narrow to fit a bit more on each page, and you can include grid lines and headings if you want your printout to be easier to read. Before you send it, use the page arrows under the preview to flip through pages and make sure everything looks right. When you're happy, click the large print button at the top to send it to your printer. Now for the faster way. Instead of navigating through File, use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+P on Windows to jump straight to the same print screen you just saw. If you're on a Mac, press Command+P. All the same options are there: printer selection, copies, scaling, orientation, margins, and the page-by-page preview. This shortcut is great when you're making small tweaks to the sheet and want to quickly check how they affect the printed result. A quick troubleshooting tip as you print. If the preview shows extra blank pages, you might have stray content far to the right or below your data, like leftover formatting. Clear those cells, then check the preview again. And remember, Print Active Sheets will only print the sheet you're viewing, while entire workbook prints every sheet. That's it. Use File, Print for a guided path, or Control or Command+P when you need speed. Once your settings look good in the preview, click Print, and you're done.